What's going on, everybody? Cameron Kaiser back here with another car vlog. As you can see, I'm sitting on my 2017 Chevy Malibu 2-liter turbo Premier. I'm replacing just these back window speakers here with these Polk DB 6x9s. Hopefully it's a good upgrade, because if anybody has the Chevy Malibu, you know that the back speakers aren't the best and they're known to not be fantastic. For the rest of the door speakers, I got the Bose Audio. That just came stock with when I bought it. So hopefully these will amp it up a bit. If you're wondering where I bought these, I got these off Crutchfield online. They're super nice 3-way speakers. I think after everything, they're about 130 bucks. So it's a super cheap replacement. I was going to install this DXI Polk Audio subwoofer, but I'm not smart enough to do that, and Best Buy said it would be like 500 bucks. So 130 is a way better route than 500 if you ask me. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Tape. Tape. Always working with tape. Overall build quality on these, they look super nice. All right, so I pulled the seats down, and all you gotta do is just pop these out, 2, 3, and then this comes up. I just use curved pliers, comes out super easy. Just comes up nice and easy. Now I do everything pretty ghetto, so I'm just gonna shove this wrench in between here just to hold this up so I can work back there. What they always tell you, work smarter, not harder. And then all you have to do is get to that little screw right there. Hold on. There it is. You just gotta undo that screw right there. There's one on each speaker, and that's literally it. Well, it's barely screwed in there now, apparently. That's reassuring. That was just hand tightened in there. It should just pop up. Might have to go from underneath. There we go. The other one wasn't that rough, but they just slide on out. Pop them out of there. The only thing attaching them is this. So you're just pushing that little tab. It's supposed to be Bose speakers, and they just look like garbage. Speakers come with these. So this is kind of like attaches into there, and this will attach into there. It's pretty self-explanatory. You got a little end and a big end here, and then you got a little connection and a big connection. It's now been like 30 minutes. If you can tell, this doesn't fit, which is fine, because I just had to ghetto screw it in. 3 mounts, which it's very sturdy, so that's good. Just squeaked a little. I put little sport things so it's not just metal on metal, so you don't get too much annoying vibration noise. And yeah, super stable, really works. I had to take a screwdriver, punch a hole, drill the screw through the bottom, drill it back through the top when I put the thing in here, and I put the speaker back in here. So it wasn't the easiest route. There's probably a way easier way to do this. When it comes to putting things together, I'm pretty ghetto, so that's the best I got. I mean, hey, if it works, it works. It's just gonna be covered by the liner anyway, so it's not like you see it. We are all installed. Again, had this cap here because it's not the same fitment as this, if you can see that. But I got them screwed in, and I'm just gonna finish up, put the liner back on. I'll show you what it looks like with the liner on. Okay, after fighting with the headliner for about 20 minutes, got that all installed. I don't know if you can see it super good because of the tinted windows, but I got a little Polk badge on there, so that's super cool. Got these all installed. Little, you know, setbacks with having to drill your own holes and all that kind of stuff, but looks nice. Sounds nice. You'll have to take my word for it because you can't really do a sound test over video, but they do sound really good. If you do have the same Malibu as me, you'll know that these speakers bog out at a certain loudness. These ones definitely do not. 130 bucks, super cheap. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed that crappy car video, because, you know, I don't know what I'm doing, so anybody can do this. Trust me, like, I'm garbage at car things, but got it done. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.